Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best big and tall polo shirts available on the market. The HOdo Big and Tall Men's Polo Shirt Moisture Wicking Sport Golf Shirt, offered in sizes ranging from 2XL to 6XL. If you've been searching for a comfortable, breathable, and stylish polo that fits larger frames without compromising on quality, this might just be the shirt for you. Let's start with the design and fit. This polo is specifically tailored for big and tall men, featuring a generous 58-inch chest and a 34-inch length. That means it provides ample room for comfort without feeling tight or restrictive. Whether you're wearing it for casual outings, sports, or golf, the fit is designed to accommodate a larger build while maintaining a flattering silhouette. Now, moving on to the fabric. This shirt is crafted from a blend of 90% polyester and 10% spandex. This combination ensures the shirt is lightweight and stretchy, allowing for ease of movement. One of the standout features is the moisture wicking capability of the fabric. This technology pulls sweat away from the body, keeping you dry and comfortable even during intense physical activity or on hot summer days. In addition to moisture control, the material has odor-controlling properties, which help you stay fresh longer, a great benefit after a workout or a long day in the sun. Speaking of summer, this polo is thin and breathable, making it perfect for warm weather. The lightweight fabric means it won't weigh you down or trap heat, providing a cooling effect when temperatures rise. This makes it an ideal choice not only for golf and sports but also for everyday wear when you want to stay cool and comfortable. The polo features a classic pull-on closure with a clean, solid color design. This simplicity gives it versatility. It can be easily paired with shorts, jeans, or sportswear, adapting to various occasions. Whether you want a sporty look for the golf course or a casual, neat appearance for a day out, this polo fits the bill. In terms of care, it's machine washable, which makes maintenance easy and hassle-free. You don't have to worry about special treatments or hand washing. Just toss it in with your regular laundry and it's ready to wear again. This product is imported and designed with attention to quality while catering to the needs of bigger and taller men who often struggle to find polo shirts that fit well and perform. The balance between function and style is evident here, making it not just a piece of activewear but also a practical wardrobe staple. To sum it up, the HOdo Big and Tall Men's Polo Shirt offers a comfortable fit designed for larger sizes. A moisture-wicking and odor-controlling fabric that keeps you fresh and dry, and a lightweight build ideal for hot weather. Its versatility and easy care make it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable big and tall polo shirt. If you want to check out this polo shirt, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.